Brief introduction to data science. By 2022, of all job skills, data science will be at the top and will have higher pay scale across all the professional courses. What is data science? To explain, let's start from the beginning. Initially, there were three main core branches: theoretical mathematics, where number theory, calculus, algebra was taught; computational theory, where how efficiently problems can be solved was taught; economics, production, consumption, and transfer of wealth was taught. Later, from these core branches, their applied branches were introduced. Applied branch of theoretical mathematics is statistical sciences. Under this, inferential and descriptive statistics are taught. The concept which are taught under these courses are pretty much same what was there in earlier days. There is not much evolution happened under this branch or under this course. They are still the same, we still apply those concepts. One of the applied branch of computational theory is information technology. From 1960s till today, there are tremendous amount of evolution happening under this applied branch in terms of computational power, in terms of storage power, in terms of processing power. A lot has been changed and a lot has been improved over the period. Business management, where managing companies efficiently and deriving their economic values are being taught. Due to disruption happening in our environment because of social media, mobility, interconnected devices, and cloud technology, analyzing vast amount of data is the need of hour, and this cannot happen unless and until we integrate all these three applied branches. To do so, to analyze this huge amount of data, to make sense out of these data which is available through internet and through all these computing resources, we need advanced statistics. So we need statistical sciences branch. We need them to talk to and to have a combination of information technology and business management together. So we need an amalgamation of statistical sciences, information technology, and business management, so that by using latest technologies, by using huge computing power, we are able to analyze data and we are able to infer conclusions which will help in taking smarter business decisions. And this is what is data science. What is the difference today and what will be the difference after we produce data science graduate? In today's world, in any company, we have CEOs of Chief Execution Officer. Under the Chief Execution Officer of any company, there are generally Chief Marketing Officers, Chief Finance Officers, Chief Operational Officers, Chief Technology Officers. So an engineering graduate from computer engineering and IT generally goes and reports to the Chief Technology Officer's office in any company. A production engineer is being used under Chief Operation Officer's office. Chief Finance Officer's office recruits CA graduates. Chief Marketing Officers recruit MBAs. Tomorrow, when we are producing more and more of data science graduates, they can be recruited in any of these officers. They can, a data science graduate can actually go under a chief marketing officer, under chief finance officer, and they can work there. So the demand of data science is not only under one particular area, but because of the amalgamation of all the three types of applied branches, a data science graduate can be recruited under any of these areas, under any of these offices. Some of the examples of data scientists, if I have to say, one very common in today's world is analyzing COVID data. So there are huge COVID data which is there today. Using those COVID data scientists are able to tell us that what are the resource requirement, how many beds are required, how many ventilators are required, what should be the lockdown strategies. It should be different for different zones, different states. We all are glued to our TV, to our mobile. We are watching lots of programs and movies, and because of good recommendation engine, which can only be done by a data scientist, we are very much happy with the content which are being recommended to us. So Netflix is one of the example of that. Then finance data prediction about a particular stock, what is the likelihood of taking this stock, and then we are going to get some profit. And there are a lot of companies which are based on data scientists and their algorithms and their suggestions. So Uber, Zomato, Shadi. There are, in today's world, if you name any company, they all have data scientists so that they can take smarter decisions and improve their business. So this is a very brief introduction of data science.